Hi friends, this is Ajmal. Today in Bachelor's Corner, what we are going to make is we are going to make dal curry. Dal curry we make in India. We make it in a lot more different ways, but what I'm going to make it something which is in coconut base, which is again southern India. Basically in Kerala, they make uh, sprout curry in coconut base. So main ingredients: 1.5 cups of sprout. You have to soak it 3-4 hours. Grinded coconut. You have to actually break one coconut and grind it in mixie. Otherwise, you get this ready mix coconut powder in the market. You can use that. Uh, Third thing is one tomato finely chopped, 1.5 onion finely chopped, 2 green chili, and curry leaves. Apart from that, masala, chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. And another one is like salt to taste. You know that. So when you're cooking, you can taste it and you can put salt accordingly. So we are gonna. I've taken a pressure cooker, a small pressure cooker. I'm gonna put it on the gas stove, lighting it. Yeah, it's lit. Either you can put coconut oil or you can put ghee, since it is ghee is healthy and it's good for your bones and all. So I'm gonna put ghee into it. So once it is hot, you can put onion into it. Stir the onion first with a spatula. Stir the onion till the time onion is turning into brown color, light brown color. Okay, now onion turned into be brown, it's cooked, so you can put tomato into it. Salt to taste. I'm gonna put little salt into it. Cut the chili and put it. You can break it or you can cut it with knife. I'm just breaking it and putting it. And masala, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, very little coriander powder, not much. So you can stir it sometimes. Taste it and see whether the salt is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect now. After that, in the pressure cooker, what you need to do, the soaked sprout. You have to put the soaked sprout into it. Put the entire sprout. Little water. some powders. So after putting the sprout, what we are gonna do is we are gonna cook it for some time. It has to be, because sprout normally it takes some time to cook. After mixing everything, add enough water to cook and put the stove in low flame. Cover it up. And wait for 2 to 3 whistles. Once the sprout is cooked properly, then we'll come back. 2 whistles are over, so you need to open it up. So this is the condition right now. It's properly cooked, you can see that. Then into it, what we are gonna do, we are gonna add shredded coconut. I mix some water into it, so I'm gonna add that into this cooked sprout. Mixing it properly. It gives you a nice taste and texture for this particular sprout curry. The taste will be completely different from what you normally make it. You can check the taste. If the salt is less, what you can do, you can put a little more salt. So I found my sprout curry is lack in salt a little bit, so I'm adding a little bit of salt again. Should be alright. So let it cook. Once it properly cooked, we will add the last ingredient, that is curry leaves. So I'm just waiting for another 2 minutes for it to cook. I'll try it once again, how it tastes. Interesting. It's not too spicy. There are people who really love, spicy food. For them, they can put additional chilies. I just put 2. You can put 3 or 4 according to your taste. Now it's a time for me to put the last ingredient, but the most important ingredient is curry leaves, because it gives you a very good flavor and taste to it. I'm just putting it and let it cook another 2 minutes, then it will be ready to eat. So this is our Malabari sprout curry. This is all ready to eat now. You can take it out, you can have it with your rice, chapati, paratha, whatever you want, dosa, whatever you want. So this is how you cook Malabari sprout curry. It's a different taste, and it'll just take hardly 10 minutes or something for you to cook. It's very simple. There's no high funda cooking strategies and all. It's simple. You can cook whatever you want and it tastes fabulous. I'm sure you go try it out, make it, and write to me and tell me how it tastes for you. Thank you so much.